case study. Today's craft is an origami hummingbird. This is a non-square origami. This is Kattera. This is a non-square origami. Non-square origami means you have to do without a square paper such as rectangle, triangle, etc. etc. Some of my before crafts are traditional origamis. So for the hummingbird you need a square paper and make it into a triangle. So take this point to this point, so fold it as a triangle and make a very dark grease, and again unfold it and tear and cut out till that grease. By using a scissor or etc. etc. You can make two hummingbirds with one square paper. Now take this triangle and you have this horizontal line, big horizontal line for your triangle, and take these 2 points to the center. If you don't have center line, fold it to this. Take this point to this point. And make a grease. So I'll get the center point and take these two big horizontal points to the center like this. So I'll get a diamond shape with 2 flaps. So take this point and this point to the center like this. It should be parallel to the center line, the grease. So for that, take this point to this open side to this closed side, or vice versa. If we will do like this, this will go down. So flip it over and do this is vertical line. Do this point to this point. Like this. So I'll get you'll get a horizontal line and this middle line. So now take this sides, 2 sides to the middle like this. Wanted these 2 closed sides. Like this. Now open it. This folding is too big. Make clear next fold. So take this open flat one and you will get as a triangle here. So pinch in this grease and pinch this grease also, and now take and fold this vertical grease backwards and now grease it here. So you'll get like this. Do the same thing for this side. Here it is some herb. Like this. So you'll get a shape like this. Now take this open flaps and fold these two sides of the flaps to the center like this. Do the same thing this side also. Like this. Flip it over and take this open side and do the same thing. Like this, and fold it in half. And fold it in half. So you will have 3 claws like this, and here the tail. Now take these 2 outer layers. Now make this flaps wings fall easier by make a grace from this point like this parallel to this side. Like this. And reverse fold the same thing like this. Now fold this in up. These are outer layers in. So now only face part is left. So take this point and fold it downward. Like this, and again pin it. Like this. If you don't have a open a pocket like this here, take out the wings to the normal position and take this one up like this. Up, so you'll get a big pocket here. Another side like this. Now take the face part down like this. Now unfold it, so you'll have a pocket. Now when you have done here, a grease will be there. If you open these 2 sides, that grease will be there. Pinch on the grease. Now pinch like this on the both greases and fold it in half. So you'll get like this. Now open the face part and make it narrower by taking this long side and folding to the center. Like this, and fold it in half. So you'll get a narrower beak. So there's your hummingbird. If you want to stand, make it some like this and keep it like this. So you can stand. Bye bye.